Hi everybody, it's Chris here of Light and Joy Designs, and I just wanted to make sure that you didn't miss out on entering my January 2020 giveaway that ends in 1 week. All you have to do is subscribe here on YouTube and then head over to my Instagram where you just need to follow me, like one of my giveaway posts, tag a friend or 2 or 3 in the comments, and also put a comment in there that says YouTube and then your YouTube handle so that I'll know that you're subscribed at YouTube. That's it. So go ahead and do that. Enter this contest. It's a great contest. Not very many people have entered so far, so you have a good chance of winning. So good luck and thanks for joining along.